Hi, we are here today to show you how to use your do-it-yourself estimate worksheet to get the measurements for your windows for solar screens. It's a simple process. You'll see on the worksheet it's got your width and your height, and I'll demonstrate to you how you can get these measurements from the inside of your home.
Okay, I'm going to demonstrate for you how to measure these three windows real fast and real quick. Okay, if you notice, these are a couple tricks when you do your measurements. Okay, if you notice, all three of these windows have the same height, so that's easy. Okay, now also notice this window and this window on the end are the same width. Okay, so that means we just drop our tape measure in here. We go 34 inches wide, and our height is 71 inches. So now we have the measurements for two windows, 34 inches wide by 71 inches high. We know this is going to be 71 inches high. It's the same height as these two outside. Now we just need a width measurement. Our width measurement here is 47. There you go. In a matter of a few moments, we've just measured three windows.
Hi, we're going to measure this window that's in the master bathroom. It's a glass block window, as you can see, and yes, we can cover that. First, we're going to get the width of your window, 48 inches wide, and now the height, it's 48 inches high. So we have a 48 inch wide by 48 inch high. We'll plug those in on our worksheet.
I'm going to demonstrate to you how we measure 5 windows real quickly. Now, notice this door. A lot of people ask us, can you put a solar screen on a door? Absolutely. If it is glass, we can adhere one of our solar screens to it. So with this door, it's like any other window. It's a width and a height measurement, just like all of our windows. So this door, we have 22 inches by 64 inches. So we're going to plug that into our worksheet, and that's one measurement for that window. Now we're going to move over here. We have 4 windows. These 2 center windows are the same size, and then these 2 outer windows are the same size. So all we need are 2 measurements. Real simple. We take the width of this window, 23 inches, and then we have the height of this window, which is 71 inches. So that's the measurements for this window as well as the measurement for the end window. Okay. We know that this window is 71 inches because it is the same height as the window we just measured. So now all we need is the width, and the width is 35 inches. So 35 inches by 71. So now we have, just like that, quickly measured 5 windows. It's really, really simple.
Here we're going to demonstrate to you how to measure 2 arched windows. This master bedroom has 2 arches, as you can see, one here and one here. We're going to measure the window width as we do on the other windows, which is 35. Now to get the measurement of the height, you're going to want to get it from the highest point of the arch, which is in the middle. And that is 77. So we have a 35 by 77 measurement for this window. And as you can see, the same size window here. So on your worksheet, you'll place 35 by 77 for 2 of your windows.
I would like to demonstrate for you how to measure all 5 of these windows really simple. Okay, do not let this be intimidating. You take a look at these windows, you go, wow, how am I going to get way up there to measure those windows? Don't worry about that. The key behind doing your solar screen estimate is to get your measurements from the inside of your home comfortably and easily. It's real quick and real fast. Now watch this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly grab this width, which is 23 inches, and I'm going to grab this height, which is 82 inches. So on my estimate worksheet, I'm going to write down for this window, my width being 23 inches and my height being 82 inches. If you notice, this window right next to me, it is the exact same window. So now we have 2 quick measurements. Now, jump up to the very top of there. You go, oh my gosh, how am I going to measure that? I don't have a ladder. Well, this is how you do it. It's so simple. And again, they do not need to be accurate measures, just rough and close, because this is strictly for the purpose of getting an estimate. All right, so we already know our width is 23 inches, okay? So that window and that window are 23 inches wide. Real simple, right? Now, I'm going to show you a trick of the trade. Count how many openings we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares there. If you go down here and you say 1, 2, 3, 4, oh my gosh, what do you know? 47 inches. So now that window's 23 inches by 47 and that one's 23 by 47. You say, well, how about that one? Well, we know that it's 47 inches high, but how about width? Well, be rough with it. Go down, say, okay, well, that's about that wide. All right, so that's 36 inches wide. There you go. In a matter of a minute, I have just measured 5 windows. It's really, really, really simple, folks.
We have just finished measuring the 16 windows in this home for the installed solar screens. Now, all we have to do on our worksheet is add our width column to get our inches on the width, which is 499 inches. And then we add our height column to get the inches, which is 1,068 inches. And take and add those two numbers together to get our total inches of 1,567 inches. With that number, you multiply it times the multiplier to get your total install cost for your solar screens.